freak. It's crazy all the flex you're getting, man.
I had a lot of problems.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Open this to see the back too?
Yeah, go ahead.
Nice. Oh, back slot port. Okay, so you have more room. I like that. Are those 18s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brazilian Platinum.
Wow. Go ahead. You're good. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Well, we got Baja Blast. Taco Bell, that's where that comes from. Yeah, that's a flavor that they have.
Nice. It's a really big box. All the space, man. Nice. So could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Reggie.
Reggie.
Yeah.
All right. So what all is in here equipment-wise?
Okay, we got 6 Brazilian Sounds Platinum 18s. And, we got a Tahoe TS 2000 by 4.
Okay.
That's on the mids and the doors. 2 in each door. Those Brazilian also.
Yeah.
Then I got 2 bass 15Ks on the subs, wired at 0.67.
Okay.
I got lithium. I got 125 amp hour, 2 batteries. I'm sorry, not 2 batteries.
2 alternators?
Yeah, 2 alternators.
Okay.
And one of the, it seems like not too many people that actually got Kenwood decks.
Kenwood decks, yeah, the duals. All right, and what's our box tuned to, that back port?
You know what? Somebody asked me yesterday, and I can't even tell you.
Okay.
I didn't even ask my guy that built it. My last box was 418s. It was tuned to 34. It was pretty stupid.
Does it play low? Or does it like the 30 hertz, 40 hertz range?
You know
what do you think?
I just got this playing this week.
Okay, so you're still learning it?
Yeah, I mean, I play whatever you want. I can.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'd love to hear it, man. Awesome.
All right.
Looks really good.
Took my door switch out, so I had to do something so I can let the window down.
Yeah. So the amp protected, is it a certain frequency it doesn't like, or?
You know what? I'm not exactly sure.
Is that the first time you've had it protect?
I don't think so. But I'll tell you about that.
Nice. I would do a double down in mine, but I can't because I got the EQ right underneath it. Ooh, 22 hertz. That could hurt.
Alright, I'm ready.
Is the whole city ready for this shit? Cause guess what? White folks bucks in this bitch today. And guess what? My nephew on that motherfucking lawn.
Yeah, let's do something lower. Sure, man.
To the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. That got too far, hold they
So the amp protected is at a certain frequency it doesn't like, or?
You know what? I'm not exactly sure.
What was your name?
Reggie.
Reggie. All right, once again, Reggie, I appreciate the demo. And nice little subflex action on the lows and the highs. And honestly, I'm surprised you're not breaking your back hatch brake. It's crazy all the flex you're getting,
Oh,
man.
I had a lot of problems with
You
that.
have it?
I just fixed it this week, too.
Oh, man. Okay.